Do you know what's more contagious than laughter? Exactly, yawning. And here are 5 reasons why we do it, supposedly mysterious. 1. Your brain overheats and needs fresh air, like a PC without a cooling fan. 2. It's a social signal, loosely translated, hey, you're boring me, politely. 3. A quick oxygen boost, although ironically, oxygen isn't really the cause. 4. Contagious yawning, your brain syncing to the group's latest update. And 5, and my favorite, no one actually knows why. Seriously, even researchers start yawning while studying it. So, next time you open your mouth, remember, yawning is nature's clickbait. Hit subscribe or risk being trapped in the eternal loop of universal boredom.